Artificial intelligence, high-performance computing, and accelerated computing are transforming the data center industry. GPU servers are becoming more powerful, rack densities are increasing, and the amount of heat generated within a relatively small physical space is reaching levels that conventional air cooling systems were never designed to manage efficiently. For many years, the basic strategy was straightforward: deliver more cold air, increase airflow, improve containment, and install additional cooling capacity. However, as rack power densities continue to rise, this approach faces physical and economic limitations. Higher airflow requires more fan energy, larger air handling systems, greater pressure differentials, and increasingly complex containment strategies. Eventually, simply moving more air is no longer the most practical solution. Liquid immersion cooling represents a significant shift in how engineers approach the thermal management of high-density computing infrastructure. Instead of relying primarily on air as the heat transfer medium, servers and electronic components are placed directly in carefully engineered dielectric fluids, capable of absorbing and transporting large amounts of heat. However, moving to immersion cooling is not simply a matter of replacing a server rack with an immersion tank. A successful transition requires engineers and operators to understand the complete thermal chain, from the semiconductor surface to the dielectric fluid, from the fluid to the heat exchanger, through the secondary cooling loop, and ultimately to the facility's heat rejection system. Fluid viscosity, thermal conductivity, specific heat, flow characteristics, heat transfer coefficients, pumping energy, heat exchanger approach temperatures, water temperatures, redundancy, maintainability, and hardware compatibility all become part of an integrated engineering problem.